So the question we have, the 2023 paper, question number 7. This is in part 1. So to do this question, so the question says to find the angle B or CBE based on the information that is given. So this is the angle we need to find. So how do you crack this question is, first of all, you need to identify where the angle is. So we have identified where the angle. The first thing that should go into your mind is that it is an external angle. It is an external angle. So when we say it's an external angle, then we should check what is the theory connected to an external angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. There's only one. What is it? In a cyclic quadrilateral, the external angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. External angle is equal to its interior opposite angle. External angle is equal to its interior opposite angle. So that is the only equation we have, or only theory that we have, which connects the external angle to the opposite interior angle. So to find this angle, we have to find this. So you work reverse. This is what we have to find. So to find this, I need its interior opposite angle. I need A, D, and C. I need this angle. Okay. So the next question, how do I get that angle? Okay. So you see two parallel lines. So there should be a reason why they have given the parallel line. If this is 45, I can find this angle. Why? To solve this question, you need to know three theories. Theory number 1, alternate angles. When there are two lines and another line passes through it, we call it a transversal. The angles in the similar colors are known as alternate angles. Okay? Alternate angles are in a form of Z. Either it can be inverted, or it can be a mirror image, or it can be a rotational image of Z. So it is like a Z, the angle is formed. Okay? So those are called alternate angles. In alternate angles or whatever, only and only if these two lines are parallel, the alternate angles will be equal. How? Only and only if these two lines are parallel, the alternate angles will be equal. They have to be parallel for the angles to be equal. Keep that in mind. If they are not parallel, they are just alternate angles. They are not equal. Only if they are parallel, they are equal. So based on this theory, if I come here and if I take the images separately, if I focus only on this, they say this is 45 degrees. It is like an Z. If this is 45, this angle is also 45. Why? Alternate angle. This is 45, so this is also 45 for me. Done. The next one. Now I have 65, 45. I need the third angle. What do? I will consider ADC as a triangle only. In a triangle, if I know two angles, can't I find the third angle? I can. So what is the theory we use? The sum of the internal angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Clear? So that is the theory we use there. For a triangle, for a quadrilateral, you know what are the internal angles. For a triangle is 180. For a quadrilateral is 360. What for a pentagon, hexagon, octagon? We use a formula. 2n minus 4 multiplied by 90 degrees. For a triangle, number of sides are 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 into 90, 180. Likewise, if you take a pentagon, you have 5 sides. 10 minus 4, 6. This is 540. This will be 720. This will be 1080. Likewise, using this formula, no matter how many sides you have in a polygon, you will be able to find the internal angle. The next thing, this is additional. When we consider the external angles, the only thing that is common for all the polygons, no matter how many sides it has, the only thing that is common is what? The sum of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. The sum of the external angle of any polygon is 360. That will never change. Clear? So if I know that 65 plus 45 is 110, 110 minus 180 is how much? This is 70 degrees. Angle ADC is 70 degrees. Now I know what is ADC. 70. I have found it. Sorry, kids. That is 70. The next one, that is not the angle I need to find. I need to find this angle. So what is the third theory? In a cyclic quadrilateral, the external angle is equal to its interior opposite angle. If ADC is 70, what is the external angle? This is ADC. If that is 70, what is this? This is also 70. Okay. So if we write the workings, the first one, angle BAC equals angle ACD. Why? Alternate angles by theory 1. So BAC equals 45 degrees. Next, by the triangle ADC, 65 plus 45 plus ADC equals 180. ADC equals how much? 70 degrees. This is by theorem 2. What is the theorem 2? Sum of the internal angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. The last one, ADC equals CBE. Why? By theorem 3. In a cyclic quadrilateral, the external angle is equal to its interior, not this, interior opposite angle. So this is by theorem 3. Therefore, the answer is CBE equals 70 degrees. Always as a practice, as I say, highlight your final answer. CBE is 70 degrees.